This bolt held me up for more than 20 minutes. Watch what happens when I quit fighting it and started heating it. This is a solary induction type heater. It's a handheld induction heater. It heats one bolt or one nut at a time and only one bolt. There's no open flames. That matters when you're laying under the car with the fuel lines and brake lines and just a couple inches away. It prevents any issues. Where we can get the induction heater in there. So it's been kind of a pain in the ass. So we're trying to do this. See, it's getting hot. Found this thing to work extremely well in these situations. I don't know if you can see it getting red or not. Looks like it's starting to. So if you can see it right there, it getting red. I know you can't really see it very well, but I'm kind of laying underneath the car and it's hard to show you. But it's heating that bolt up. We're going to let it get cherry red because I don't want to screw with it anymore. I'm fighting with it for 20 minutes. I'm going to let her get cherry red. You'll hear me say cherry red in this video. Honestly, you don't need to take it that far. As soon as it starts to turn red, you're there. The less heat you put into it, the better off you are. I had over 20 minutes into this bolt. The breaker bar did nothing. Impact gun did nothing. 90 seconds with the heat gun, it took it right off. I don't know if you can see it now. I'm doing the best I could do, but we got her off of there. Right there, that was a pain in the ass. Alrighty guys, if you gotta get you one of those, I'll put a link in the description, but they're a lifesaver.